I have a second channel, Cube Comp MTDX.
Hey everybody, real quick one here. I like to show you guys how to spot scams on sites like Facebook or any kind of social media. Here's a post that at first glance seems like a genuine post of somebody saying they found a dog and they're trying to find the owner, blah 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 blah, and giving a little bit of a sob story about how the dog has a hurt leg and all this stuff like that. So, at first glance, it seems like a perfectly normal post. But when you do this, you simply go to a different tab, go to Google Images, which is images.google.com. Just take the image, drag it over here to search. And you can see that it's telling you that it's a Shih Tzu dog breed. But you gotta go up here and click on Find Image Source. So if you look here in the search results, you'll see lots of different pages that have the same image. So clearly this is not, I mean, it's an image of a dog, but this is not an image of a dog that's been found and the person's trying to find the owner. So another example would be, I've seen a few posts on Facebook having to do with places for rent. And you'll look at the images of the home, and the home looks really nice, and the rent they're charging is just way too good to be true. And sure enough, if you search that image backwards through Google Images, turns out you'll find out it's also a scam. So this is one way you can quickly determine if a Facebook post is legitimate or not. Scammers, what they do is they'll find a common image on the internet, download it and upload it to their post, and try to make you think that they're trying to do a legitimate thing. They're trying to either, in this case, trying to unite a dog with his owner, or in many cases trying to scam would-be renters who are looking for a home to rent. So be careful, guys. This is a quick way you can help identify if a post is legit or if it's a scam. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.
Well everybody, that wraps it up for this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like the video, leave a comment, subscribe to Cube channel, and be sure to tick the bell, that way you get notified of new video posts. Also, I recommend following Cube Computer Company on Facebook. A link is in the video description. In addition to computer tech videos, I have a second channel, Cube Comp MTDX. Links are available at the end of this video. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching and your support.